guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devyn, and today I'll be showing you guys a review video of a super exciting product that I've had my eye on for quite some time, ever since I found out I was pregnant and knew that I would be breastfeeding. I've been eyeing this product. So this is the Wearable Breast Pump by MOMCOZY. So this is something that I've heard a lot about on the internet, of other moms wondering, is this worth it? The reason why I've heard so much about it is that there are other hands-free breast pumps that are out there on the market that are a lot more expensive. So you may have heard of the Elvie or the Willow pumps, and those are pretty pricey. I will have the prices on the screen. And I'm not saying it's not worth it, because I've never tried those, but I just know that for me, I knew that I got a normal breast pump through my health insurance for free, so I was not going to spend that money. But I was very interested in just the idea of a hands-free option where you're not hooked up to a machine, where you can walk around, do what you need to do, and also pump out breast milk for your baby. And so that's where this comes in. Again, it's by the brand MOMCOZY, which I'd heard about. They have a ton of other products, which is really cool, but this is the one that I definitely was interested in. So you can buy them individually, or you can buy them together for $119.99, which is a lot more affordable than some of the other brands. So I do want to mention that MOMCOZY did send these pumps to me, but I'm going to give you guys my full honest review of them, because I wouldn't agree to do a review otherwise. So they did give me a discount code. It's Devyn10, and that will get you 10% off your order. I will make sure to have these pumps linked down below, along with their website, if you guys are interested. But of course, let's go ahead and see how I feel about them. Alrighty, so I do have the website pulled up. Again, the double electric wearable breast pump. This is the S9 model. Runs you $119.99. They do have it in 3 colors. They have like a gray, a pink, like a rosy pink color, and then a mint green, and I got the mint green color. So there are 5 adjustable section levels with this model in 2 modes that you can choose from. It does fit in a bra, is what it claims. You can pump anytime, anywhere. The bottle capacity is 180 milliliters or 6 ounces. So the charge time, so like how long it takes to charge it, is about 2.5 hours, which honestly I think is totally fine. And then the usage time itself is about 50 to 70 minutes, which I think is great, because again, you're probably only using it like 10 minutes or 20 minutes at a time. And then the shut time, it does 20 minutes auto shut off, so that you don't like take it off and forget to turn it off and it just loses its battery. So I think that is really cool. All right, so when you open the box, this is the stuff that comes in. Now, I did already open these because I wanted to go ahead and sanitize the parts, so I can go ahead and try them on here on camera and start trying it out. So the first thing that you see here, again, this is a pretty mint green color. This is the motor. So it's seriously so small. Like, it's not super heavy or anything. The back of it, where it attaches to the pump, is right here. You just basically snap it on. So there's not a lot to it. Seems really user-friendly. This is the power button. I don't know if you guys can hear that. So yeah, essentially you have the 2 different modes right in the front here, and then you have the plus and the minus to increase or decrease the section level. And it has the little lights to show you basically what's going on, which I think is a really great feature. And then here is the actual part that catches the milk. I did, like I said, already sanitize this. It's almost completely dry. And so the parts are really cool. So this is very lightweight. Apparently what's different about this compared to other pumps is the back here is not plastic, it's silicone. So it's supposed to be a little bit more comfortable and more soft. So this again is what it looks like up close. Plastic here, and then we got the silicone right here. It also comes with a couple of extra pieces. So it has the actual charger, which is again just a USB, and that charges here on the bottom. You just lift it up, and there is the little place for you to charge it. And again, the time to charge it fully is about 2.5 hours. It does come with an extra valve replacement, which is nice. And then it also has these little bra adjustment things that can help secure it in the bra. So all you have to do is, of course, put it all together. The instructions are inside on how to assemble it, but it does already come assembled, which is really nice. And then right here, the circle part just goes in and you just snap it on really tightly. Again, make sure it's secured all over so there is no leakage. So once that is done, this is what it looks like. Honestly, I feel like it looks nice and sleek. Essentially, you put it here in your bra, and you can adjust it just by looking down, which I think is awesome. So the heart button here is apparently the massage mode. So this can help early on days, like when you're just producing colostrum, to really get things going. It can also help like if you have a clogged duct or something, and trying to get that out. So that's what that's for. And then the second one, the little droplets, are the actual breast milk pump ones, and then you can do the plus or minus to increase or decrease. So based off the directions, you essentially will input it here onto your breast. Make sure the nipple is centered and make sure that there's no like gaps or anything. And then make sure it is upright. So this needs to be straight. And then you can go ahead and turn it on and it will start to pump the milk. Again, if you want, you can use these little bra adjustments. So I have a little nursing bra on right here. And so you can see I undo it like this. I can take this like so. Okay, and then I have this and it can connect right here. So now it's basically extending it for me to where it can fit this in there. So I'm going to go ahead and try and put it on. I have not used this. I'm going to make sure the thing is centered, upright, and I'm going to put on. And then I can, of course, increase. Right now it has it on the second level, and I can increase it to the third, fourth, or fifth. So for now, I think I'm just going to try the third level. And you can obviously hear it. I could keep it underneath and it is being held securely. Obviously, you know, you see it going out, but it's nothing crazy. If I had a tank top, you could maybe just see it like this. But honestly, it's not that bad. I just have it easily going in there. So again, we're going to make sure it's nice and secure. Okay, so I now have both of them in right now. You can't really tell that anything is happening going forward, and then when I turn to the side, of course, you can see it's going out quite a bit. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pump for just a few minutes. I mostly exclusively breastfeed, so I'm not going to pump for very long since I'm going to have to feed my son here in a little bit. But I'm going to let this going for a few minutes, and then we'll check out the results. All right, so I just let that go for a few minutes on each side. I have not looked at the milk, so we're going to go ahead and see what we got going on. Whoa. That's crazy. That's a lot more than I thought. So if you guys can see, I got a good amount in here. And this is maybe 5 minutes, if that, from one side. Yep, same thing over on this side. That's super awesome. All right, so now I can take these off here. And honestly, it's not even like super needed. Like you could definitely go without them, but I definitely think it's convenient to have these things. So I just grabbed a bottle for us to practice pouring the milk in. Oops. So this is sanitized as well. Make sure everything's down here. Then you push it this way so that the milk can go down. And then you're going to go ahead and take it off here like that. That's good. And then you're going to pour it from this little side right here. So I'm going to take this milk and pour it. Hoping I'm doing this correctly. And apparently a little bit can come out from the middle there, so you just keep it centered on top. And you can see it got everything from inside. Same thing on the other side. I'm gonna push it this way, take this off, and go ahead and pour it in like this. And I got everything there. So that gave me a good 2 ounces. And again, I did it not even 5 minutes, honestly, and then it was only on the section level 3, and it could go up to 5. So I'm gonna put that aside here. But guys, that was like so easy, and it did not hurt. I thought the section was very comfortable. The silicone honestly feels really nice. I thought it would be weird, I don't know, because based off of some of the other ones that I've seen, like the Elvie, for example, it just seemed like it would just be super hard up against your breast. But this was honestly like very comfortable on, and especially with it being in a bra, it just felt really nice and secure. And yeah, I'm like super impressed. So that was way easy. So I'm gonna be able to go ahead and like move around my house while doing that, which is really fantastic. And I think that's just the coolest thing ever. So yeah, guys, I think this is a super awesome option for a breast pump to have it hands-free. I didn't have to do anything. I just put it in there, and I got it for a few minutes and came back. So that's like super, super cool. So overall, I give this 2 thumbs up. I, again, will have it linked down below, and if you want 10% off, just use Devyn10. This is just going to make my life so easy for when I need to make some milk for to put in the freezer, or if I'm going somewhere and I will be away from baby, and quickly make a bottle without having to sit down and be stuck to a machine, which is just amazing. It also can help relieve engorgement, can help with clogged ducts and all that good stuff. So yeah, I love it. Okay guys, I also forgot to mention they have this super awesome pregnancy pillow. Oh my goodness. So I'm obviously not pregnant anymore, but I did have a pregnancy pillow for the majority of my pregnancy because I really needed it. I was super uncomfortable in bed and I just wanted to have some support. So I got one off of Amazon and it was good. It wasn't anything amazing, but guys, I'm really sad I did not have this one. And again, I would not tell you this unless I truly felt it, but this is amazing. I slept on it the last couple of nights and I slept better than I ever have. And obviously I'm not sleeping the best these days with minimal hours of sleep with a newborn. And so first off, the fabric is super soft, like seriously so velvety smooth. And my other one is just like a jersey type of feel, and it's like whatever, but this is like so luxurious feeling. The inside is light but fluffy, but not too light, if that makes sense. Like it's plush and it's not, I don't know how to explain it. It's just not too heavy. The shape of it is unique. So it's shorter on one end and this end sort of curves. So it's perfect, this part, to go in between. Like you can cradle this side, put this in between your legs, and then this can go behind you, and it just feels like a hug. And I love it so much. This has great support. It has a zipper so you can clean it. And yeah, I just wanted to mention this, and I'll have it linked down below as well because it's pretty freaking fantastic. And if you're pregnant and haven't gotten a pillow, I definitely recommend this. You can get it off of Amazon. You can get it off of their website as well. So that about wraps it up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, check out the description box. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.